This is Jamboree. You think I'm joking here, right? You think I'm joking here? But I blow my head off. You are my friends! No. Tell me who my parents are now! Baby, put that thing away. You're going to hurt yourself.
Put that gun away, please. I don't want anything to happen to you.
I'm not your son. You caused me so much pain. You sent Emma away. Now she has got into the hands of another man. A man that proposed to her just which day. Why do you cause me so much pain?
I am sorry. I know I don't deserve your forgiveness. But find it in your heart to forgive me, and I have sinned against you. Forgive me.
I should forgive you. By the way. Now you tell us. Who are his parents?
Unless we are his parents.
You're my mother.
I am your mother.
You're my mother. And yet you caused me so much pain. Do you know what I sent away? You don't have late Chief Anthony Ugochukwu Okeke of Edo Motors. What? Did you get to find out? What? Hey, what is what?
I didn't know.
You mean is the daughter of AU Motors CEO that you called classless?
I am sorry, I didn't know.
Ah,
I didn't know. She wasn't like...
You're sorry after ruining my life. After taking away my happiness. Daddy! Your son! Daddy! Don't do it! Please, don't just... Don't do it. Don't. Emma.
I've been going through a lot in my life, wishing to find a peace. I've been going through a lot in my life, hoping to meet the right person. Oh, why can't I make this choice for myself? Oh, why can't I make decisions of who I want to be with? Oh, love is about the hurt and not about the material things. Lovers, can I go for
You're welcome.
Thank you. Stella, thank you very much. It's okay. Thank you, Mom. Cheers.
Is there anything you want me to get for you?
Thank you, this is fine. Okay.
Thank you, Mom. I think I'll go back to what I was saying before.
Thank you, Mom. Thank you very much. So how is my beautiful daughter-in-law? She's good. I can't wait for my son to come back from the UK so that they can get married and start building a family of their own. It has been our earnest desire. I can't wait to see that come to pass. I know. I personally warned my son. I don't want him to marry a white woman. Because I will never accept a white woman in this house. That's what I'm meow. What's this? What's that? Professor! Yes, I want our woman. No, Africa is Africa. Yeah.
You don't fresh finish, don't add weight finish.
I don't ask you who you be, they say I don't add weight. You don't have weight.
You don't remember me. Madam Stella's daughter, Ijo.
RJ! Can you imagine?
What did you do? Now one guy when they beat me for sin, I make you no remember. They say I had weight like this, you don't reveal to me.
Yeah.
How you dey?
You know it's your fine. Hey.
Yes, my mother.
Okay, she live back here.
Dikeh.
Yes, sir. Hi, welcome, eh?
Thank you.
And then some today inside here and take our books.
I dey tell you, just you fresh. Appreciate this gate where you do. You know nothing God do for you. They give you food, money afternoon, night.
Make I appreciate it.
I dey tell you, many students, you know they see food chop, nothing common. Appreciate this position.
You just left for school. You were here during the weekend. And you are back.
Yes.
What brings you?
Tuition fee.
Huh?
Tuition fee.
This is not a good time to ask for money. And you know it.
Oh, Mama, I told you now. I told you the last time I came that they said if anybody that does not pay his or her tuition fee will not be allowed to write the examination. And this is my final year exam.
Ijoma,
Ma.
you and I know too well that this is the middle of the month. And my salary is not due for payment.
Mama, you can go and meet doctor and prof. Tell them that your daughter is in dear need of the money. That your daughter needs to pay her tuition fee so that she can write her final year exam. See, Mama, there's a way you will place your mouth. There is a way you will explain to them. These people will know that this thing, they will know the gravity. They will understand that the daughter is in dear need of that money. Final year exam, Mama. Explain to them. Sugarcoat it in a way. You are a mother. You know how to explain something so that somebody's heart will fly.
Yes, thank you very much, preacher. See the way you are arranging it. It's coming out of your mind like tap. You just flowing. No full stop, no comma, nothing.
No, I was explaining.
I know you are explaining. I cannot do that. Do you understand me? I cannot do that.
But Mama, see, this thing is very important too. I need to pay my tuition fee so I can write my final year exam. You already know this. And you have to just help me. Yes, all the money that you'll be spending on this year, it will be a waste too. Yeah, you want me to have extra year?
Which year? Ijoma, go back to the school. Beg your teacher. Tell him to allow you write your exam. Tell him that your mother is coming to pay at the end of the month.
Professor, let me be on my way. If I stand here, we'll continue to gist. Just keep saying it and discussing and having fun. At least let's talk.
It was nice talking with you.
My pleasure.
Let me be on my way.
My regards to Honorable and Rachel. Tell her particularly that I love her so much.
She loves you too, and she will hear.
Say it, okay? Alright. Victor! Open the gate for her.
Mama, please. I cannot wait till the end of the month. Seriously, Mama, this is very important to me. This is my final year exam. I'm begging you, please, Mama. Don't know how you will go and meet for. Beg her so that she'll be able to give me the money on time. Please. Tell them, explain to them how serious this case is. I'm begging you.
I should go and meet him prof.
Yeah.
And you know who she is.
Go to doctor.
Ijoma.
No.
Prof employed me, not doctor. Oh?
Mama, go stop for doctor, anyone. Just tell them. Explain to them now. Mama, are you going to go and tell them? Mama, please, I'm begging you. This thing is very important to me. Please. This is my final year exam, Mama. Please, help me get there.
Chief, I'm fine, sir. I hope everything is just fine. Welcome, sir.
Madam Stella,
You're welcome, sir.
how are you?
I'm fine.
Good. I hope my wife is back.
Yes, sir.
Good.
Thank you, sir.
Son? Yes, the senator and our family are planning a grand wedding for you and their daughter. Yes, a lot of dignitaries will be in attendance. You will enjoy the wedding, yes? Yes. Yes, Stella. Oh. Let me call you back.
Sweetheart,
Honey?
how are you?
I'm very well.
Oh, sure. How was school today?
School was fine, just the usual school stress.
That is why we call it work. Every work has its own attendance stress. Yeah. But you are equal to the task.
That is your usual word. At least patronize me small. So how did you go today at the hospital? Everything went well?
So far, so good. Well,
Welcome back.
yeah. Looking beautiful as always.
Oh, thank you.
Mama, now that doctor is back, I think this is the right time to talk to Prof in his presence. It will be more fruitful. She will not refuse. I don't know what to do. Mama, do you have another plan?
Yes.
What is it?
I'll go and borrow money. And I'll pay when I get my salary.
Mama, do you think that's the best idea?
I think so.
Why?
I don't want them to see us as liabilities.
You are right, Mama. I think that's the best idea.
Jenny,
Mama,
I want you to focus. I want you to write your final results and come out with flying colors, good grades. Finish your NYSC. Get a very good job. Ijoma, I'm old. I need to rest.
Mama, I understand. Thank you so much. Thank you for everything you've been doing for us. You have been there for us since Papa died. Thank you.
Ijoma, what I'm doing is for you to be able to take care of your younger ones. What?
Mama, I promise you, I'm going to try my best to come out in flying colors, get a good job, and take good care of you and my younger ones.
Thank you, Mama. God bless.
So that's what I came to.
Oh, is it Joma around?
Yes. My love. I employed Stella. I'm not together with her children. I cannot fathom the reason her children keep barging in on us, unannounced, doing the way they like around this house. What's that?
Honey, I don't see anything wrong in her children coming to visit her at that place of work. Except there is something you're not telling me.
I am not just comfortable with them coming around. I don't like it.
So, what is your point?
My love, I cannot place my finger on anything. Just let me be. My social and professional. You like this one?
Yes, like music. Reminds me of my youth days when I could see young boys jumping up and down.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Good evening, sir. Good evening, ma.
Good evening. How are you, Jama?
So tell me, what level are you now?
I'm in final year. I'm about to write my final year.
Final year? Ah. Stella, I don't know. I mean, very soon you will have a graduate in your family.
Yes, thank you very much, sir. I can't really wait for her to graduate. It has not been easy. It has been very tough.
I know.
She was here on Monday. Came back again today. Because of what money. You know? As if I have the money stopped somewhere.
Ijoma.
Sir.
Is that how you disturb your mother because of money?
No, sir, she has not paid my tuition fee. And without it, I cannot write my final year.
Oh, Stella, don't worry. It's always like that. Anyways, Ijoma, I will give 100,000 naira to you. Jesus! Why are you screaming?
Sir!
So that you can take care of the tuition you talked about and get yourself some other things.
Sir, God will bless you on top of the one He has already blessed you with. God will continue to prosper all the works of your hands. You will never know a better yesterday, sir. Sir, thank you. You don't know what you have done for us. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I really do appreciate it. Oh! I just 100,000. I was thinking of going to borrow money for this tuition fee. I never need to come from God like this. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. I'm grateful. Thank you so much. God bless you. God bless you. God replenish your pockets. Add more money to you. Bro, thank you. Thank you. 100,000. I'm happy. Thank you. He's God. He's God. Miracle is tired Jesus. Adoro. He's full of widow and the fatherless. Hey, Jim! My mommy has concluded to come for money for your school fees. Just don't feel like that. Hey, Mama. Hey. This God is a good God, and He will continue to be good, a good God. He will continue to be a good God forever and ever. Amen. No, it doesn't. What is our prayer? I'm telling you, I don't know. Like shock to me. Like I don't know. You know when something's happening to me, like something like happiness, you know that it's going to allow me to. I don't know how to explain it. Like inside my mind, I'm very happy, but how to explain it? How to be happy? I don't know how to express myself. Anyhow, you can't anyhow, my daughter. Anyhow, you want to just go on. Hey, you see me? I was even, you know what? I was even thinking. Even if I can borrow money, how do I pay? I pay this money home with. Yeah! God just brought it. Okay, come on, eat. Mama, food now. Are you not going to eat? God forbid, Mama, feed her. I told you I don't know how to express my happiness. I'm so happy. That's why I don't know how it is. My heart is beating. You don't know what to do. Oh, just leave it like that. You will go focus on your education, focus on your book, read it very well, so that you can make your exam, you can write all your exam, and come out shining. That is the only thing you owe me. Oh, calm down. I'm happy for your own. It's getting too much. Pick up. Mama, hey John. Mama, I'm set to leave.
You're on your way already?
Yes, Mama. Mama, I'm going to miss you.
I'm missing you already.
Mama, please take good care of yourself.
God is taking care of his widow. PJ.
No.
I want you to focus. I want you to prepare for your exams, please.
Yes.
I want you to make me a proud mother. Pico.
I will, Mama. Mama, say me well to my younger brother.
They will hear. You trust me now.
I miss you.
I miss you too. I'm missing you already. Take care of yourself. Oh, I love you, my daughter. Let's go. Look at you.
That's my man.
You better slow down, you man.
My brother's UK, though, not Nigeria.
Bro, look at you. So fresh.
I beg you, are you not fresh? No.
But I'm surprised you came back alone.
Wait, I don't understand. I traveled alone now. Am I supposed to carry the whole of you and come back?
But I expected you to come back with one beautiful white lady. Or a fiancé at least.
Yeah, I beg you. When they're all, there are a whole lot of beautiful women in our land. No, I can't get married to one woman.
So, I mean, you left all the beautiful white girls to come down here to marry some other land.
Well, the truth is, my parents already have one for me though. Yeah.
Your parents found a wife for you already?
My brother, they did actually, and we've not met in person, but they sent me a picture and we've been talking, and I think I like her.
Wait, you think you like her?
Oh, well, I like her. She's fine, she's gorgeous, she's classy, she's from a rich home, so yeah.
Wow. Yeah. So indeed, beauty lies in the eyes of the people.
Well, you can say that again, my brother, So good to see you.
I'm so happy.
Hey, I hope you've not been jumping from one woman to the other.
No,
you that I know, is it?
I will take you to all the hangout spots. Incredible hangout spots.
I trust you, man. I trust you. It's so good to be back here. Now, Nigeria.
The Yankee boy.
Hey, you can see him. You're looking good. You're doing a good one. Hey, hi. How you doing?
Oh,
Fancy.
How are you? How you doing?
Nice to meet you as always.
Thanks for you.
Mom, are we going?
Of course.
I like that.
It's still good to be home.
You're welcome once again, my son.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
UK sure looks good on you.
Thank you. Look, Mom, the house soup I just had was awesome. It was so yummy. Guy, I've not had such in the longest of time.
But I mean, who's going to prepare such African dish for you over there? Well, except our Igbo brothers and sisters who have restaurants there, right?
I know, but guy, trust me, it doesn't taste as good as this.
I bet.
Yes, so nice.
Stella here, you can be rest assured, Stella here is a wonderful chef.
Thank you, Prof. I'm honored.
I know.
Very
But I've still been doing great things. For time. I remember those days when she would make that ukwa and
Wow.
Oh, you know it.
So you still remember? You still remember?
Put on your magical fingers. Oh, I forget such things. No. No.
How can my son forget something so yummy and wonderful?
A foodie. How can a foodie forget about food?
Dad, no.
It's not possible.
It took me for look at your stomach. Everywhere still looks really nice. Like, just like yesterday, you know?
You probably ask, why are you here? Because I know you're going to be your way around.
Is that what you think? I'm just in the way for it. Yes, like, there's no place here.
I'm surprised you know, place with them.
Well, I was a baller. I won't go there.
Oh.
Yeah, I go out, I chill, and I'm still a baller.
I love that sound.
Anyways, for the future, hours I've been with you. Someone to deal with. Yeah. Yes, it was so much fun.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I think we should do things for what do you think?
I don't understand. What do you mean by that?
What don't you understand, sweetheart? I think it's time you get to go see your parents and do the needful.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
But before that, we'll have to do like the premarital test and all. you have a problem with it?
I don't have a problem with that.
I can't believe that
I feel love. I do good. Yeah, you look really beautiful. So beautiful.
Thank you. Oh, wow. How come you know a place as beautiful and classy as this?
I told you I was a baller. And I'm still a baller.
Seriously?
Yeah, look. You know, when I was still in Nigeria, this was the place I normally come around with my best friend. I am Benson. You know, we came here now. We came to run things.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's nice. I like it.
You do?
Yeah, I do.
So, I'm seated here with the senator's daughter, a graduate of chemical engineering.
Oh, so you still remember?
I don't forget things. I don't forget easily. So, sweetheart, tell me about your past and present relationships.
There's no relationship.
No, come on. You can't tell me a pretty lady like you has no relationship or had no relationship. So.
Okay, let's say I broke up with my ex because I caught him cheating.
Cheating? What would make a sane guy when there's no more sense to cheat on a pretty lady like you?
You know, after investing thousands of dollars on him, he had the effort to cheat on me with a low price. Unbelievable, right?
Yeah, it is.
You know, frequently I ask myself, what do men want?
Well, if you ask me, it depends. I don't know. Whatever will make a guy or a lady cheat on his or her spouse, you know, could be peace of mind or disrespect. I don't know.
Oh.
Yeah. You know, my parents have been together for the longest of time, and I can categorically tell you that what has kept that relationship going is peace of mind, especially for the man. You know, and they respect each other. So I feel if you give me peace of mind and I give you peace of mind, this will go a long way. Yeah. Sorry, my manners. Drinks, right?
Yes, drink.
Waiter!
I like it. It makes me happy.
Hey, take it easy. The way you're gulping this thing, it's not water, it's alcohol.
Waiter! One more glass cup of this. Sweetheart.
Please relax. The way you're drinking this thing, at this rate we'll get tipsy and drunk.
I'm enjoying myself. And I can't enjoy myself to the full, man. Give it to me. Okay. Thank you.
Easy.
Oh. Hey, have I told you I love you? It makes me happy. It makes me feel on top of the world, you know?
Because the rate you're taking it's so much. It's okay. It's okay. This is fine. You've been taking about 3 glasses now. It's okay.
Yes, can we go to the school?
Okay, that's fine. Come. That's fine.
Don't worry, I can get out. I'm fine. I'm good.
I know. Let's go.
Okay. The school?
Yes.
The school, right?
Yes. Let's go. Stop, we can't do this now. No, hey, look, we can't do this. If we do this, we'll be supporting our parents. I care a whole lot. Hold on, I care a whole lot. Please, just calm down.
What's wrong with you? You're going to be my husband very soon. What's wrong with having sex?
Rachel, just hold on. Rachel, look, it's tipsy, girl. You're drunk or something. Just calm down and just relax, okay?
What is going to stretching me? And you're going to have it the hard way right now.
Rachel!
Please!
Rachel!
Careful. Thank you so much, sir. Is there something else you want me to get for you? No, that's all. Okay. Thank you. Yes. And Stella.
Yes, Bob.
What time did David leave the house?
At about 11 a.m. this morning.
Did he leave alone or with Rachel?
No, he left with the Honorable's daughter.
That's really blending well. And Stella, what do you think about the men you choose for husband? Do you think they will blend well?
I think so, yes. I think so. They are a perfect blend and they will make a good couple.
Stella, thank you so much. You don't know how happy this makes me feel. I appreciate it.
Thank you, Mom.
It's alright, you can go back to work.
Thank you so much.
What is they keep on this boy? My husband is back. You're here.
Sweetheart, are you worried?
How was your day? How did it go?
Well, so far so good. You're looking worried. Where's David?
He drove out with Rachel. Now he's not back.
Since when?
They told me since 11 a.m. in the morning.
11 a.m. And he's not back?
That's why I'm beginning to get worried. I don't know what could be keeping him out like that.
So, have you tried calling him?
No, I've not called him.
Why no? Your only son left this house this morning and has not returned. That you are saying you didn't call his line? And you are just here worrying about it?
Maybe I'll try to call him now.
I'm
sorry.
You didn't try this time. I will have to call him when I get home.
You're the sweetest I've ever seen. I can't have enough of you. I feel like having more and more and more. I don't know what's going through your mind right now. But I feel like going more slowly.
slowly until I get it.
Hey, look, can we go home now?
Where?
Home.
No. Not yet.
Look, you already had me twice. You already forced your way on me twice. In fact, you raped me.
What did you just say? I raped you? How? How is it possible? A girl raped a guy? Who would believe that? I know you enjoyed every bit of it. And I know you can't wait to have me again like you want.
No, look. Let's just go home, okay? We can always do this another time.
I still don't want to go home yet. Dave, sweetheart, baby, where are you? Dave? Please come give it to me again, I want more. Dave! Baby! Where has he gone to? Can you leave a woman here alone and oh, where are you?
There's no way I'm ever going to get married to that girl. There's no way! What kind of a slut is this? Forcing herself on me? So this is the girl my parents recommended me for me to marry. This is the girl they recommended me to marry. Jeez. There's no way I'm ever going to end up with such a girl. There's no way. She even said it herself that no man has ever resisted her. What? Christ! I'm sure this is the way she gives it to other men at will. Once she just gets drunk, she... Why is she even calling my phone? Please stop calling me. What's this?
Why am I taking your calls? The nigga ran for his dear life. Oh my God! Imagine a guy running for America. Anyways, no problem. I know you're gonna come back. Because I am the sweetest of them all. Oh, my husband to be is so sweet. I'm glad!
How can David leave this house this morning? And now he's not back. And he left with Russia. Is that enough reason for him to stay out late?
Honey, what do you have me say? What is keeping that boy out until now? That's gotten me here.
Let me call him again. I called him the first time he didn't pick.
Hello? Why are you calling my phone? You didn't have the guts to still call me after forcing yourself on me. What is your problem? Read my lips, it is over. Don't ever call my phone again. What's your problem?
David,
Dad.
Where are you renting?
Sorry, Dad. It's nothing. It's nothing. I just had a little issue with someone.
Okay. So where are you?
Yes, I'm on my way home.
Good. You better be. And I need you to be home within the next 10 minutes. Okay?
Okay. See you soon. I'll see you soon. Bye.
I'm not going to condone this nonsense in my house. Let him come back and explain to me who raped him. What? Who raped who? That is what we need to find out when he comes back.
Oh, Lenny, what took you so long? This morning left us out.
And where have you been all day?
I went out with a friend.
With who? The one who raped you?
David, who raped you? Is he a male or a female?
Talk now. Tell us the name of that fool that forced sex on you.
Dad, can you say?
Oh, you can't say. That means it was not rape like you claimed. David, how could you allow yourself to be used?
Mom, Dad, I'll be right back.
Honey, who did you say raped you?
I heard him mentioning Rachel.
And you believe him? You and I know that Rachel can never do a thing like that. She's properly raised, for crying out loud.
That man is a whore.
How can you say that, Dave? How can you say that about my Rachel?
Rachel forced herself on me. She made me have sex with her. Look, mother, I don't want to have anything to do with Rachel. I don't want to see her close to me.
How can you say a thing like that?
Honey? What is he talking about? How can my Rachel, with her fragile nature, rape a full-blooded young man like that?
I don't get it myself.
No, I have lost it. Because if David can say a thing like that about Rachel?
No, but I heard him screaming over the phone.
Maybe another Rachel. Not the Rachel I know. I watched that girl grow. I still cannot wrap my finger around this. The possibility that Rachel raped our son. Honestly, I don't get it. Where is that coming from?
Sweetheart, are you the one saying this? It means you don't understand your son. If David tells you something is black, you can take it to the bank. That thing is certainly black.
Honey, I am dazed. Honestly, I am. That Rachel could do something as the beast as that? I trusted that girl with my life. Yes!
If that girl can do such a thing, it means she's spoiled already.
Honey, you know she lived all her life in America.
And so, she allowed the American lifestyle to influence her own way of living. But what I really don't understand is why May did not tell us this other bad side of his daughter, and she kept pushing her to her son for marriage. As far as I'm concerned, my son will never marry that girl.
Honey, don't say that. Please slow down. Like I said earlier, we really need to find out what transpired between her and her son.
You can go ahead and do that. As far as I'm concerned, my mind is made up and there's no going back.
Already? Like seriously?
So bro, how was your outing with your wife-to-be?
Please, Benson. I don't want to hear you mention anything about wife again. Please.
sorry, I don't get. What transpired? Dave.
Look, Mom. Do you know that girl drinks like a fish? She drank a full bottle of alcohol right before me.
Dave, you've been my close friend for a very long time. Tell me everything that transpired.
Okay. She got all tipsy and was asking me to take her into the hotel shoot and all.
And did you do it?
I had to. This girl was creating a scene. And she was embarrassing me, man. I just had to take her off the whole... Besides, you know I'm a shy person.
I know. So, when you guys got to the hotel, what happened there?
This girl bounced on me. Tried to take off my clothes. I was trying to, like, calm down, relax now. You know these things now. Really, they are. You know this girl was telling me that no man can ever resist her. No man has ever resisted her. Bro, it was not a small thing, no. Okay, you know what? Without even mixing words, this girl raped me.
She raped you? How is that possible?
I don't know. I think she was on hard drugs.
What?
I don't even know. I felt like the girl was on hard drugs or something.
This is unbelievable. I can't believe that Rachel raped you.
Look, it was me that passed through the experience. This girl hurt me twice. I had to chill till she dozed off. And I took to my heel. I ran for my life.
Vin, this is very funny. Is this the kind of girl your parents want you to marry?
You know, I was pleading with her to just calm down. This girl showed no mercy. Sometimes when I think about the whole thing, I feel disgusted. I feel ashamed. Because no girl has ever done such a thing to me.
Yes, indeed. This is very disgusting. I mean, I can't even wrap my head around this.
No way. What?
Honey, what was the meaning of what I just heard? And to think I recommended this girl for my own son to marry. I chose her for my son. And this is happening. No.
This marriage will not work. I don't care whose ox is God. I mean, if David marries this girl, she's going to rape me one day in this house.
Honey, I just can't believe what I just heard. I can hardly believe it.
I believe my son 100%. When I called him, he screamed on me, thinking that it was Rachel that called.
My love, in as much as I know our son, David is not a liar. But I believe we'll handle this carefully. Let us be tactical with this. Let's hear Rachel's side of the story.
No way. I will not give Rachel room for explanation.
That's my take on it.
No, I will not. I will not. Look, I want the best for my son.
Me too.
Rachel is not the best for my son. I think what I will do is I will just call Senator George and tell him that his daughter has messed up the whole thing and that this arrangement will not work.
I love him do no such thing.
Watch me.
No, not so soon.
No, watch me. Look, if David marries this girl, he will die before his time.
My love, let us not be rash in taking our decisions. Let us hear from Rachel before we jump into conclusion. Please.
I will give Rachel no room for explanation.
That is where you got it all wrong. I didn't need any room for me. Your son has spoken. Let us hear from the poor girl.
Man, Benson, I have my fears.
Which is?
Look, when we did what we did his protection.
Okay, so what exactly is your fear?
That she could have infected me with STD or something.
Well, I suppose we all have different fears. For me, I worry that she might come here one day and say you got her pregnant.
Wait, could it be that she tried to scheme her way through to get me to marry her? But my parents have already agreed to their, they had their own agreement on all. This girl just blew the whole thing out of proportion.
Yeah, you're right. I think so too. So, tell me, how was the experience like?
I don't understand.
I mean, when she was playing with your balls, did you enjoy it?
Are you crazy? Are you?
Come on, tell me, bro. Look at you.
So, I won't deny when she was doing her thing, rightly than all. I was money and pleasure.
Yeah.
What's wrong with you?
And she was wet, right? Wow. Wow, that means you enjoyed yourself. And that is not rape.
What are you saying?
So many questions begging for answers. So, tell me, do you have any injury around your private part?
I have no bruises. What kind of questions are you asking me?
Well, for me, it was just two adults enjoying themselves. And my friend thinks he was raped.
Really? Can't laugh for all I care.
Oh, I know you enjoyed it, right? You enjoyed it? Come on, Dave.
Wow! And what are you doing in my house, you all?
I ask you again. Since you have developed hard hearing, what are you doing in my house? Go back to wherever you are coming from.
What am I trying to do?
No, I am talking to myself, Rachel, or whatever they call you. Leave my house now.
I should go? I'm here to see my baby.
There is no baby in my house. Leave, or I ask Peter to bundle you out of this house now. Leave.
Why the dry languages, mother?
I am not your mother. I can never give birth to a wayward girl like you. Leave.
I don't understand. Why did...
Pray nothing happens to my son. Pray you have not infected you with HIV. Because I'm going to skin you and your entire generation. I'll skin you put to death. What is that? Oh, you're surprised. You raped my poor innocent boy. Rachel, to think I recommended you for my son to marry. What was I even thinking? Is this a woman you have turned into? A wayward and a cheap woman that sleeps with anything and everything. Just leave. Leave my house now. I'll push you. Get out! What do you mean? Is she even drunk?
Fine, I did.
Oh my goodness! Get out! Oh my goodness! Fine, I leave. Everything was on the night.
Not taking my call. What have I gotten myself into? You know, my drinking habit has cost me right now.
And I've been looking all over for you. I even went to your room, you were not there.
Mom, what's your name?
I've been meaning to ask. I've not seen Dave. I mean, he has not visited since he came back. We broke up. Bro! You what? You broke up? What happened?
Mom, something happened.
No! No! Richard, you promised me. You promised this will never happen again, Richard. What happened?
I don't know what came over me. I saw myself drink. I was just helpless. I was drinking and before I know it, it happened again.
What that my only daughter will be useless? What have I done to deserve this? My own daughter, my only daughter, sleeps with men at will. God! What have I done to deserve this? God! Your woman. He and my daughter will make a very good couple.
You can say that again.
Yeah.
Have I told you he's a trained doctor just like his father?
Yes! Prof mentioned that. I can't wait for him to come and whip up my daughter before he starts seeing other girls.
Absolutely. I discussed that with Doc. He said they were not going to waste time.
I cannot wait to see my daughter get married into that reputable family.
Yes, with what I discussed with Doc, he said that the marriage is as good as settled.
And I'm lucky. I feel like the luckiest woman on earth. I'm still lucky, Rachel. Wow. Sorry. You called me?
Where are you?
Oh.
Yeah.
Don't tell me you've just been here, lost in your own thoughts, while I was talking to you. I'm sorry, Mom. I didn't know you were talking to me. What were you thinking about? Let me into that sweet mind of yours.
No. It's personal.
Yes, personal. I'm very tired, though. I have to go and return. Let me go upstairs and I'm tired too. I'll do my room.
This one of both of you are talking about going to I hope you're not planning to. I hope this is not going on. Who is talking about France?
Who is talking about France? There's something bothering me.
Wow. What is bothering you?
It's about the Alexanders.
Okay. What about it?
About their son that just got back from the UK. Are you okay?
This is Mom, I'm fine. David, you mean?
Yes.
Okay. What about David?
You see, my daughter, you have lost so many men due to a habit that is beyond your control. A habit of drinking and forcing men to have sex with you against their will.
Mom, why are you bringing this up again? I promise it will never happen again. He says since after that incident with Roshas, I made you a promise. It will
never happen again, Mom.
Are you okay?
No, I'm fine. I'm fine.
Rachel,
Yes, Mom.
Dave is one guy I love and respect so much. He's one man I hold in high esteem. Do not scare him away. The habit of sleeping with men on a first date should stop.
No.
Let them see you as the classic girl that you are, not a whore.
It will not happen again, Mom.
You promise?
I promise. I promise, Mom.
You okay, man? I begged you. I begged you to stop this habit of drinking, but no! You won't listen.
No. I was helpless. Okay. We were both in his father's house where he said we should go out for a drink. And I accepted.
Helpless. Were you forced? No. When you were busy cooking the alcohol down your throat, were you forced?
Nobody can force me to drink. Nobody forced me to drink. I drink because I like drinking. I drink because it makes me happy.
Shut up! Shut your mouth! I drink because it makes me happy. I drink because you like drinking. See how messed up your life has become. You have lost your chances of being with a good man.
Our hopes are not gone yet. Yes, there's always a space for second chance. So, stop getting yourself worked up.
Second chance, you said? Second chance. This is 2 weeks since the incident. Neither Dave nor the mom has called either of us. What does that tell you?
Dave is just angry. With time he will get over it and he will come back to me. I know that.
I've been thinking. Why don't we go and apologize to Dave and the mom?
What? Hell no, I can't do that.
Why can't you do that?
Mom, what I did to David was unpardonable. I can't go there.
Uche, you have spoiled everything. You have made things up for us. By now, your marriage rights and everything would have been completed. I can't believe you lost Dr. Dave. My son, in-law. Child.
I don't even know what's wrong. My life is completely messed up. I feel like stuck in this miserable life and
No. You can stop this, you know. You were not like this years back. Omalicha, you were not like this. I'm sure this is a habit you picked up abroad. But you can always change. Nim, you can do anything once you put your mind to it. Omalicha, mommy, you can do this.
wow. I wish I can right my wrong.
You can, my daughter. Mom, you can, please. If you put your mind to it, you can do it. Just be determined.
Oh wow, who's this chick? Look at her pictures. She's so pretty. And send her a friend request. I hope she accepts. It's the name name again? It's Emma. Oh, Emma. Nice. I wish yourself could kick off something there. You even go to her DM and send her a love emoji. Oh! Hey! Big man! How you doing? It's fresh as always, man.
Thanks, man.
How far now?
Work is fine. I just got back from work. So I decided to stop by to see you.
Gee, oh, gee. Oh, gee. Good to have you around.
This match is tough.
At Chelsea now, they collect. Just
1-0. But Chelsea will always win.
Oh, well, let's see. That's not too much. Hey, pass your ball now.
Bro, I've been meaning to ask you.
Okay.
What are your plans? Do you intend to work at your dad's hospital or at the teaching hospital?
For now, I'm just taking my time. Look, I'm in no rush, so just trying to take it one step at a time.
Well, there's a common saying, an idle mind is devil's workshop. So, if you ask me, I'd say you work at your dad's hospital. That's a nice one.
Well, that's a good option, though.
Yeah, fantastic idea.
Yeah. By the way, there is this new chick I met on Facebook.
Facebook?
Yes, her name is Emma or something. In fact, guy, you need to take a look at her. She is super pretty.
Right. Girls.
Let me show you. Just hold on. She's hot.
Are these her pictures?
Of course. I've been chatting with her for a while.
Bro, most of these girls are fake. What you see online is not what they look like in reality. Edited pictures.
At least make mom try and look now.
Well,
our message just popped back. You know, I told you we've been chatting.
Are you serious right now?
Yeah, just hold on. Where can we meet?
I need to get my own girl then.
She just sent me a house address. My nigga! Let me go just change up, okay? Alright, let me go change up. Good to see you. Be right back. Just chill. Get a drink or something.
Okay.
I can't believe that I'm falling for this. Is this love that I'm feeling? Oh, yeah. 'Cause I found peace.
Hi.
Hi.
Am I right?
You must be David.
Yeah.
Nice meeting you in person.
My pleasure. Why not hop in?
I never expected it
Oh,
to happen
that's
this
nice.
way, but it gave me reasons to smile again. Oh, what a feeling! Anytime I close my eyes, it's you that I see. Letting it go is not.
What's that?
I'm not someone who likes sitting in public, so I don't mind if you would want to go into the suite so we can...
Beg your pardon. What do you take me for? A whore?
No. I just thought we could go into the suite where, you know, we could discuss stock and other things. I just don't like prying eyes, and I'm a very shy person.
Did I complain to you? How would I want to go into the hotel suite when I'm not doing anything wrong?
Sorry, I just figured you'd need your privacy, nothing more.
See, why did you even bring me here? I'm leaving, Father, please.
I'm sorry. Hey, Emma, I'm sorry.
That's why you guys just go on social media, sending friend requests and love emojis to girls to hold them. See, I'm very different from those girls. I'm not like those girls, actually.
It's fine, okay? Look, Emma, the fact I sent you a friend request is because I went through your profile and I figured you're really beautiful. And I fell hopelessly for you.
Really?
Yes.
Wow.
Like I said, I'm sorry. It was never my intention to...
Stop patronizing me. You men are just the same. You are like every other man.
All men are not the same, okay? They are still genuine ones. Anyways, what would you like? Whiskey, brandy, or something?
I don't do alcohol.
Okay, can we order food?
At this point, I'm not hungry. I just want to go home.
Emma, well, I already said I'm sorry. It's never my intention to make you feel angry or something. Please.
Just go here, all of a sudden, let's go into the room. To do what?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry about it, okay?
It's fine.
Hey, sister. Good evening.
Nay, there is nothing good about this evening. Yes.
Did anybody provoke you out there?
Of course, yes. And that person is you.
Me?
Yes.
How?
Now, let me ask you, why didn't you tell me what transpired between David and our daughter?
Darling, there's nothing to talk about there. What our daughter did was very awful. I don't even know how to talk to you about it.
You mean if I did not call the dog, I would not have known what happened? I would not have known the idiotic thing that your daughter has done again.
Darling, at least now you know it's not my fault. But you just poured the frustration on me now. Eh?
Let me tell you, your daughter is spoiled. Yes.
Well, I know she didn't take that from me.
What is the meaning of that?
Nothing. I haven't said anything. I only said she didn't take after me on that aspect.
So indirectly, you are telling me that she got her waywardness from me?
I haven't said so, darling. I have not said so. I only said that I know I am not wayward. Even you can testify to that. Don't know.
After all, she looks like me. Oh.
We're here.
Okay, we are here. So, yeah, is this where you live?
Yes, sir.
Oh wow, your dad is a rich man.
Yeah, we lost him last year.
Wait, Chief Anthony is your dad?
Yeah, you knew him?
Not really, I just saw your picture of sister.
How could I have forgotten that?
Oh wow. And mom? Wait, sorry, what happened to him?
Suffered stroke.
I'm so sorry.
No, it's fine, it's already a year.
Oh, what about your mom?
She's fine, but she's not around.
She traveled?
Yeah, she went to United States of America for Omungo.
Wow, I like the sound of that. And your siblings, hope they're good.
Yeah, we're all good. Oh, fine. I need to leave now.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. I'll get to talk to you on the phone.
Alright, take care.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
I can't believe that I'm falling for this. Is this love that I'm feeling? Oh, yeah.
Welcome, Daddy.
My beautiful darling. How are you?
I'm very well. How was it, Dad?
Good. Well, it's fine. How was school?
Very well.
Guess what? Guess what?
My love, what?
We delivered a lady of quadruplets today.
What? Hey! 4 babies.
4.
All alive, kicking and healthy?
Of course. Huh?
My goodness.
You needed to be there.
Oh.
You know, the husband, the family, friends of the family, all trooping in and out just to catch a glimpse of the bundle of joy.
Indeed, a bundle of joy.
How is not going home? Oh, no. We deliver that.
Oh my goodness. You know what? I will come on my way to school tomorrow to say that.
Oh, that is very kind of you. Thank you.
And you have 2 days of me.
Wow. Oh, thanks for the kind gesture.
You don't need to thank me. I just did something for the little baby.
Oh, but I have to thank you for your kind-heartedness. Okay? You second to none.
Can you stop? Stop shouting me with accolades.
How can I stop, my beautiful wife? You know, your type is rare to find.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So, what do you have for me?
A whole lot.
Honestly, I wonder why you still insist on marrying this girl. I think it makes sense now. You want to marry her because of her family's wealth?
Hello. I'm not marrying her because of her family's wealth, but because of her family name. Look, she's the last daughter of late Anthony Kuchuku of AUO Motors. I'm sure you know that.
But do I have to remind you that your family already have a name? So what other name do you want?
Well, I just don't want to marry from a classless family. More reason I accepted my mom matchmaking richer than I.
And you know how that ended, right? It wasn't funny.
Emma is not like that though. You know, I took her to the same street where I took Rachel to.
I'm pretty sure that brought back a lot of foggy memories.
No, I didn't. It didn't bring back anything. I fell out with Rachel. Yeah. I took Emma to the same place and I was still trying to see if she'll fall for the same gimmicks.
Gimmicks?
Yeah. Same place I took Rachel to where I ordered for drinks. I had a little one. This girl downed the whole bottle, drinking like a fish.
Wait. So wait, you got her drunk?
I did not get her drunk. Benson, are you not listening to me?
What is that to listen?
I said I ordered drink. I had a little and she started drinking it like she was a fish. I even had to tell her to stop, but she refused to stop it.
Come on, man. What if she was a sister? Why would you do that?
Wait, Benson, are you not listening to me? Why are you finding that
There's nothing to listen to, bro. What you did was very wrong.
Why are you trying to make me feel like a bad person here?
I see. And then you will come back and tell me that she raped you when you got her drunk. Well, in this case, she didn't fall for your games, right? Because if she did, you would have said she raped you.
Are you serious, Benson?
Yes, I'm serious.
Are you understanding me at all?
Yes, I understand you, and you're wrong.
I don't think you actually get to understand me.
And we're not done with him. And it's run his life for you. As you're trying to indicate now. You never heard he was smoking himself to death? You never heard that he got himself drunk? Nor he was womanizing? Why are you behaving like this now?
Mom, that's it.
Where are you coming?
Answer your father. Oh, is that the answer?
Mom, what's going on? I wouldn't have stepped out to go see Benson.
And you couldn't call to tell us where you were.
I'm sorry.
Please, I am begging you. Do not give my husband high blood pressure.
Hi, baby. How?
Your actions and inactions can trigger that. And I don't want that to happen. Please, I've been managing him this way. Let me enjoy him.
Like I said, I'm sorry.
On Monday, you're resuming work at Alexander's hospital. At least try and get yourself busy. I can see this your unemployment is beginning to get at you.
No, look. I will start work when I want to start. As for now, I need a wife.
Wait a minute. You mean you leave this house every day to go in search of a wife? I never told your father and I.
Well, as you can see, you guys can see that marriage is top of my list. Anyways, Mom, that's good.